Hi, sixth graders. Mr. Newman here. Hope you're having a good day today with your at-home learning day. We're going to take a step away from our civics and government unit, and we're going to focus in on why we do not have school on Monday. So on Monday, January 16th, is a day off for school for all of us, but it's more importantly thinking about the reason why we don't have school. And it is Dr. Martin Luther King Day. His birthday is on January 15th, but we observe this day on the third Monday of January every year. So what we're going to ask you to do is think about the theme this year, which is Together We Can Be the Dream. When you're thinking about that theme and how you can maybe live out that dream or share your ideas about how we can live together and be together or be the dream, I'm going to ask that you create a mini poster of sorts to share your idea of how we can be that dream together as a community at Central Middle School, as a community in the Wayzata Public School System. So there's a couple steps I'd like you to follow to help you come up with some ideas to put into your poster. So the first step is to watch this video. It's about 3 to 4 minutes long, and it's of Dr. King's I Have a Dream speech. It's a short version, and it's to music as well. So that will give you an understanding of kind of what the speech is about. Pay attention to his words, maybe come up with some phrases that he uses to put into your mini poster. That would be a wonderful way to share your thoughts as well. After you've watched the video, maybe you need to watch it a couple times to get more ideas, and that's totally fine. You can watch the video as many times as you feel you need. I'm going to ask you to design some sort of poster, whether it's on paper, maybe it's an app, a Notability, Sketchbook, PicCollage, Canva, any other app that you want. And create your poster with that theme of Together We Can Be the Dream. Be sure to include pictures, titles or phrases, and then also your name should be included as well. Once you have that poster created, I'm going to ask that you post it to a Padlet. And at that point, that's where you're going to essentially turn in your assignment. There are 2 Padlets, one's for Core 1 and one's for Core 2. I'm going to use Core 1, for example. When you tap on the link, it'll bring you to this Padlet. Somewhere, I'm not sure with the iPad, if it might look a little bit different on its interface, but find the plus sign, and that's where you're going to add your post. And here you can attach your poster if you did it digitally, or if you did it on paper, you can take a picture of it and post it here as well. Make sure you add your name to it before you publish your Padlet or publish your poster to this Padlet, and then that's be our way of sharing our creation. So I look forward to seeing your ideas. If you have questions, please feel free to email me throughout the day. I'll be checking my email periodically. All right, have a wonderful weekend, and good luck with your poster.